Check out all the nominees for the 2017 MTV Movie and TV Awards, which funny man Adam Devine is set to host. Today's episode is brought to you by the Uncarrier. With T-Mobile One, get all unlimited, all in. From awards like Best Villains to even Best Kiss, the MTV Movie Awards always prove to be the best of the year. With Workaholics' rambunctious Adam Devine hosting, this year's MTV Movie and TV Awards are not only going to be fun, they're probably going to be wildly unpredictable and filled with hashtag-worthy gags, which is exactly what we want out of our award shows. Another thing we want, some serious competition across the board, and it looks like MTV has got that covered too. This will be the first time in 25 years that the show will hand out awards for TV as well as movies, and considering this has been one of the best years for TV in history, every category is riddled with amazing shows and performers. Stranger Things, This Is Us, Atlanta, and RuPaul's Drag Race all scored major nominations across the board, while the TV performers will be integrated into pre-existing movie categories such as Best Villain, Best Comedic Performance, Best Hero, and Best Kiss. There will also be awarded categories specifically for TV shows only, such as Show of the Year, Best Host, and Best TV Actor. In those categories, Get Out's Allison Williams will go head-to-head with the Demogorgon from Stranger Things for Best Villain, while John Oliver has some fierce competition for Best Host up against RuPaul and Ellen DeGeneres. As far as Show of the Year goes, Atlanta, Insecure, This Is Us, Game of Thrones, Pretty Little Liars, and Stranger Things will all battle it out for the most coveted TV award of the night. As for the movies, Get Out took the lead with 6 nominations, including Movie of the Year, Best Actor in a Movie, Best Villain, Best Comedic Performance, Best Duo, and Best Fight Against the System. Meanwhile, Disney's Beauty and the Beast racked up a healthy number of nominations as well, including Movie of the Year, Best Actor in a Movie for Emma Watson, and of course, Best Kiss. And speaking of Best Kiss, this year, Emma Watson and Dan Stevens will go up against Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling, Zac Efron and Anna Kendrick, Taraji P. Henson and Terrence Howard, and Moonlight's Ashton Sanders and Jarrell Jerome. Frankly, we'd be happy for any of the nominees in this category to win, so long as they actually have an epic kiss after accepting the award. I mean, it's such a cop-out when they don't. And in the biggest category for film, Movie of the Year nominees include Logan, Rogue One, The Edge of 17, Beauty and the Beast, and Get Out. All right, this is officially the hardest award show to vote for ever. There's just too much great stuff, but I guess I won't complain about that too much. The MTV Movie and TV Awards airs live from the Los Angeles' Shrine Auditorium on Sunday, May 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and fans can begin voting for winners right now at MTV.com, so be sure to get your vote on ASAP. All right, you guys, I do want to know which nominees you are most excited about and who do you think got snubbed this year. Share all of your thoughts, opinions, and concerns in the comment section below, and of course, subscribe. I'm Ryland Adams, I'll see you soon. And before you go, click to the left to check out the crazy new Harry Potter fan theory about Professor Snape. And thanks again to our sponsor, T-Mobile. Stream all the music and videos you want with unlimited data from T-Mobile.